Hey guys, they're inbox Hot Wheels. RC cars.
Yep, we got a couple RC cars that you've been saving your allowance for, and you finally got it saved up. So we got two here, don't we? What's the first one there?
This is my dad. His is so small, and his even has bow tires, but mine is bigger.
Oh.
And he doesn't have bow.
Yeah, that is what is referred to as a 1/16 scale, I think.
So it can go in sand and rock.
Yep. And then, you want to show them yours?
Mine's even bigger.
Yep. So yours is a 1/12 scale.
Hang on, I think I know what you can do today.
What?
Mine can crush yours.
Yours is going to crush mine?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to start by unboxing the little one first or the big one?
The big one.
Okay. Set it.
Hey guys, let's take a look at the scene.
Yep. So both of these are 4-wheel drive. They're brushless.
What is brushless?
It's the types of motors in them. Maybe we can have you explain to them what brushless is later. It's a more dependable brushless system. And then these are also, you know, your cheaper entry model RC cars. We'll share links below to these and where you can get them. But these have a lot of reviews for being some of the most rugged trucks out there. So we know a thing or two about bent axles with monster trucks and Hot Wheels. So we really needed something rugged, didn't we?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started by opening yours first, I guess.
The 4x4 Mon truck.
Okay.
So let's get the S truck out of here. Right there. Guys, my dad is going to get my brother. Dad, show my brother on camera.
Oh, he's all right now. He's playing with Gravedigger.
Oh yeah, round.
Holland, can you show him Gravedigger?
Vroom, vroom. Wheelie.
All right, get to opening.
Okay. Well, Dad. Here's this big boy.
Oh man, look at that. 4-wheel drive, got some nice meaty tires.
Got all this like.
It's got working shocks, so push down on the front. Yeah, see how it's got working shocks? Pick it up a little bit. Pick it up. Now drop it flat, not on the box. Yeah. Stand up and drop it. That was off the camera, but okay, let's get back over here. You getting the batteries put in the remote?
Woo! That didn't take too long.
All right, let's go ahead and clean this place up so we can show them how to put the battery in the body.
Hey guys, have you ever seen Dogman before? It's still in theaters.
Oh yeah, shout out to Dogman. You went and watched it last night, didn't you?
Oh, stickers. We didn't even know that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here's a little thingy.
That is the
I don't want to throw these
instructions.
away.
What is that? Oh, that's the battery safety. Yeah, we'll talk about that
So
in a
what
little
does
bit.
it say no one know about?
Because there's a certain way you want to charge these batteries just to keep it safe.
What does it say?
We'll go over it in just a minute, okay? Hey, what else do you got behind you we haven't showed yet?
Wheelie, bye.
Oh, it's got a wheelie bar?
You told me that.
Well, what does that mean?
That it could be wheelie.
That must mean it's super fast if it's got a wheelie bar. Okay, let's show them how we take the body off to put the battery in.
Right. All right. Okay.
Bring it over here and show them.
Whoop.
What are you pulling out?
These little
Scoot back just a hair, buddy. You're pulling out these body pins.
Yep. Oh, wow. Hey, guys. Just so you know, this is what's inside the body.
Yep, that's the motors and the suspension. Drive shafts.
Did you not know there's a thing called major suspension damage?
Oh, yeah?
That means it's suspension, but it's damaged.
Yeah, can't drive with major suspension damage, can you?
Yeah, especially monster jam
Yep.
trucks.
All right, let's figure out how this battery goes in. Also,
Even there's an... Dad, remember this show? AJ Mullet.
oh yeah, shout out to AJ Mullet and Bone Crusher.
You mean Bonehead?
Bonehead, yep, sorry. Okay, well, this is cool. Didn't realize this, but these come with 2 batteries, actually. So I pulled this one out of the box to make sure it was charged before we started rolling. And apparently they come with 2 chargers, or 2 batteries. I did have 2 chargers when I opened the box, but I thought maybe that was just a mistake. But good to know we have 2 batteries.
You're right, now I have to twist the other battery.
Well, we got a charged battery. We're good. But now we'll have them both charged so we can go out and rip. Okay. So the white plug is for charging, and the red plug is for
Action.
ripping.
And action.
And action. Yeah. Okay.
That's like we're working on your Ram truck.
Oh, it is? Okay, so
Just that it's an RC car.
looks like to turn on right here.
Hey guys, look at these springs.
Okay, where's our remote? Before we put the body on, let's make sure it's on.
I think we gotta turn it on.
Okay,
Where is it?
push that button on the side. Do you see it? Well, hi, Gunner. Glad you could be in the video.
Yes. I pressed it.
Okay, let's get the instructions out and figure this out. Okay, when we refer to the instructions, power switch, press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds to switch on. So can you press the power button and hold it and count to 3?
Right, from 1.
Hold it and count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, look at. Oh, look, the lights are on.
Right.
Oh boy.
Where's the light?
Okay, we're live. So now let's go ahead and put the body back on. You gotta get those. Hey, you gotta get those holes aligned, just right.
Just right.
That one being a little tricky. Oh, almost had it.
Yeah.
Bingo. Okay, put her down on the.
How can I try to drag it?
Yeah, hold on, just 1 second, wait. All right, we are ready for our first initial launch.
Yes.
So, can I show you something first? Put the controller in your other hand. And then, yeah, that's your steering. See, there you go. Okay, let's do a first initial rip. Let's see what she can do. The camera guy can't even keep up. Alright, so it outran the camera the first time, and it's doing it again, but... Back it up. Uh-oh. Well, it's passing the durability test because you just rammed her straight into a concrete wall. So right now we're just running full throttle.
Yeah.
Carnage. Wait, show us the remote. So the reason Wayland got the bigger one is because, oh, quit moving, buddy, I can't see. Is if you'll see there's a speed controller on it, so we can turn the speed down for him for handling. And see, now show him how it goes slower. Well, you turned it back up. Oh! Back it up. Well, I thought we heard it by running it into the ram full speed, but it's still ripping. Do you have the speed turned down now? Back it up so we can show these guys how it's controlled. Bring it over here. So he turned the speed down so it's not ripping, but to get adjusted to it better. Well, let's go over here and show them the kind of log jump we built to hit it, where the stump is. Can you bring it over to the stump? Stop, stop, stop! So we had a few issues with getting it under control. So we've turned the speed down to try to practice steering a little bit. So we built this log jump to see how it jumps. But we're having a little bit of trouble. We're still adjusting to how it steers. There, you got some air. Eventually he'll learn that you can't hit the gas pedal while you're trying to chase it and pick it up. Landed it. It also seems like the speed controller works on forward, but I think reverse still keeps it full throttle. Also, we learned that in the grass, the steering just doesn't turn as sharp as we thought it was going to, but if you put it on pavement or if you put it on gravel, you can do donuts with it. So I don't know if bigger tires would help or...
You have the bigger tires, Dad.
But we'll figure it out along the way. We have a knack for working on stuff, don't we? We can't ever keep anything original. Got a little air there. Send it.
Cartwheel.
let's take the logs off. I think they're actually kind of hurting us more than they're helping.
Oh, fuck, it's stuck. Kind of.
Big air.
Hey guys, I'm gonna crush grave.
Oh, poor grave digger. Cartwheel.
I crushed him again.
Hey, pull it up on the concrete and show us a donut. Stop. Good job. I didn't want to see you drive it into the creek and get it wet. You're going to try to do a what? What do you think, Bruiser? Ooh, you got a little air there. Nice turn. Back it up. Let's keep it away from the pond and the creek. I'm having a hard time keeping this thing on the camera. It's so fast. Uh-oh is right. Wreckage. All right, we found a makeshift ramp. We want to try to get some big air before the battery dies. Hit it. Oh, did our battery die? Okay, send it. Ah, the battery is dead, ain't it? Okay, we went and changed the batteries. Hopefully this one will last to get us some air. Go! That is the battery that we did not charge, the second battery that came with it. So, shout out to HBX for sending batteries that are already charged. Let's reconfigure this ramp. All right, you got to aim it straight.
Now, action.
Big air. Yeah, nice job. Oh no, poor gravedigger just hanging out, minding his own business.
But instead of supersize, the truck came and crushed him.
Oh.
And then he didn't even know how he crushed him. And saw him. And he was like, help.
Ouch. All right, let's take it to the front porch and tear it down and see if we tore anything up. Because there's the proof in the pudding. You've been pretty hard on this thing today for learning how to race. We've had a bunch of front wall impacts, bunch of flips.
And we didn't even put the wheelie bar.
Oh, we didn't even put the wheelie bar on yet, did we?
Let's put the wheelie bar.
Let's skip the wheelie bar and let's Let's take the pins off and see if we broke anything. Okay. So what'd you think?
Good, but let's see if we broke it.
Yeah, let's take some pins out and inspect the body. We gotta take the back pins out, dude.
We didn't bring anything in the front, it looks like. Oh, boy.
What's up, Bruiser?
Baby DJ. Baby DJ. Let's see this.
Well, buddy, I can't see you in front of the camera. So how's it look?
Is this supposed to be like hanging out?
I think that was just double-sided tape. I don't think we broke anything there.
Didn't break the battery.
Yeah. You see any suspension damage or anything?
Suspension damage. It looks like we didn't bend any of these axles. That's great.
So at first inspection...
Let's see if we broke any springs. No, didn't break any cords. No. I see. Yes, I see what was the problem there, Daddy.
What's that?
See this piece of grass?
Oh, grass stuck in it.
Even that little piece of hair, my hair.
Well, if that's the worst thing, I don't see anything on the undercarriage.
No. It must be good.
What do you think, buddy?
I think it must be good.
What do you think, bud?
It's kind of amazing.
It's four-wheel drive. It's got shocks. Those shocks took some big jumps, didn't they?
Yeah. And you can press it down.
So what do you think? What are you giving this review and unboxing?
I give it a thumbs up.
You give it a thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
So would you suggest this to...
100 thumbs up.
100 thumbs up.
No, 100 thumbs up.
Well, we gotta get stickers made for it, or put on it. There's the sticker pack over there.
Then let's put the stickers on it.
Wayland's really itching to do that, and we're gonna 3D print a wall mount for it, so we always put it on the wall when we're done. Oh, we didn't showcase the front. Check how the front has LEDs on it.
Oh yeah, LED lights.
That's pretty cool. Comes with working LED lights.
Let's put these on.
Well, we'll put that on after we turn the camera off. So, what do you think, buddy?
Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, bicycle. And if it's your birthday, happy birthday.